Hi friends, this is Naveen Kumar. I welcome you all to my channel, the Discipline Trader. In this video, we will be discussing about intraday stocks for tomorrow. Let me start the analysis with Nifty. So Nifty, if you observe in daily time frame, we have a huge bearish candle yesterday, right? This candle, we were having a huge bearish candle. This one. So let me find where the support and resistance are there in 1 hour time frame. So if you observe the stock in 1 hour time frame, you find that we were having currently we have this resistance. So at this point it should act as a resistance, right? We have 3 rejections at this point on 11th December, 14th December and on 15th December. Yeah, and 14th December too. So we have 3 rejections. Now it should act as a resistance. So though it was acting as a resistance in previously, after the breakout it should act as a support. As we have breakout over here, now this zone should act as a resistance. Now this zone should act as a resistance. If you look for the support, let me find, we have this quite good support at 13,400 level. Let me check with the Fibonacci ratio. If I use Fibonacci for this, let me uncheck all this. You see this resistance zone is correlating with Fibonacci ratio. Right, it is correlating with 50% Fibonacci ratio. Let me see for trend lines if any. Yeah, my way for tomorrow is go short at this point, as we have resistance at this point, and this resistance is correlating with Fibonacci ratio. So if you find any rejection candles, bearish candles at this point, that is around 13,570 to 13,600 level, go short with the target of 13,500. So if you didn't find, in case if not this happens, if the stock opens with the gap down, if this index opens with the gap down, in that case do wait for the pullback till 13,400. After that, if you find any bearish candles at this point, you can go short with the target of today's low, that is around 13,200. So let's see what Banknifty says. Bank Nifty already it is been analyzed. Let me clear that and read. Bank Nifty looks similar to the Nifty chart. Let me check in 1 hour time frame. In 1 hour time frame, we have too many resistance and support in Bank Nifty. So this is one resistance zone. This will be one. This is one again. This one will be act as one resistance zone. So we have two resistance currently. In daily time frame, we see you find that these two levels will act as a resistance for tomorrow. That is 20,000, 29,862. This is one level, and 30,300. These two levels will act as a resistance. Let me use the Fibonacci ratio. So my view in the upcoming trading sessions are go short at this point, as we have good resistance at this point, and Fibonacci ratio is correlating with this, and we have one trend line over here. In 1 hour time frame, if you see, this was acting as a support, right? 1, 2, 3. This trend line was acting as a support for the last 3. It acted as a support for 3 times. As it got broken, now it should act as a resistance. So I am expecting a fall from here, from this zone. So if you find any bearish candles at these points in the coming days, go short with the target of 29,864. The first target will be this, and we have too many supports over here. So this one will act as support. All these swing points will act as a support. So my view for tomorrow is do wait for these levels. Either go short at 29,850 level. If you find any bearish candle over here, go short at this point. If you didn't find any bearish candle at this point, I won't suggest you to go long. Do wait till 13,200 to 13,300 level. If you find any bearish candle at that point, go short at that point. So let us see which are the stocks to trade for tomorrow. The first stock I am going to recommend you people is Maruti. Maruti, if you observe the stock in weekly time frame, you find that we were having this resistance point. The stock was rejecting from this level couple of times, right? We were having 5 rejections over here. So now the stock has given breakout. After the breakout, now it has pulled back. So right at the support, we have an hammer candle. Hammer is a bullish reversal candle. So if I use support at this point, if I use trend line support, Even this trend line is correlating with the today's candle. So as this stock is right at the support, my view for tomorrow is your view should be bullish on the stock. So if you find any bullish momentum in the stock, you can trade on the buy side. So we have three confirmations over here. One is weekly resistance has given breakout. After the breakout, pullback, and we have a bullish candle right at the support. So as this stock looks bullish, so your view should be on the bullish side for tomorrow. The next stock is Hindalco, and the strategy behind this stock is double top chart pattern. If you see the price action of this price action of this stock, after making an high at this point, it didn't make another high point. Instead, it has given breakout of this low point, low swing point. So as you see, the stock was rejecting from the same point second time. It looks like a double top chart pattern, right? Actually, exactly, it is a double top chart pattern. So if you observe the stock in 1 hour time frame, so this will act as a neckline for this chart pattern, this level 238.25 level. And we have an indecision candle today. So what I suggest you people is, your view should be on the sell side for this stock tomorrow. Even though if you get a buy opportunity, it will be quite frustrating to trade on the buy side, right? So as the stocks looks bearish, you shouldn't plan to trade on the buy side. So my view for tomorrow is go short either at this level 238 zone, or go short below this level. That is today's low 226. So we have two confirmations over here. One is double top chart pattern. Neckline has given breakout, pullback. Now it is an indecisive candle. So if you find any bearish candle at 238 level, go short, or else do wait till it gives breakout of today's low. Okay. The next stock is Tech Mahindra. Tech Mahindra, if you observe this stock in daily time frame, previously we were having this resistance zone, right? The stock got rejected at this point twice. Now this point has acted as an support. So currently, after the breakout, we see a pullback. Now the stock is continuing its bullish trend. For tomorrow, what you need to do is, you need to plan for the buy side after the breakout of today's high. Here also, if you see, we have three rejections. So my view for tomorrow is go long after the breakout of this resistance zone. Should so it should be something. The price action what I am expecting for tomorrow is after the breakout it should give it should do a pullback. Now it should after that it should continue its bullish direction. So we have two confirmations. We have the stock got reversed at the support. We have in 1 hour time frame we have resistance. So after the breakout of this resistance point, do wait for the pullback and go long when you see a bullish candle. So the next stock is HDFC Housing Development Finance. If you check the price action of the stock got reversed currently at the swing point. Currently it got reversed from the previous resistance point. After the breakout of this resistance point, it did a pullback. It got rejected from this support. Right. If you check the stock in 1 hour time frame, we have an Maruti candle over here. Maruti candle is a strong bullishness. It gives the strong bullishness in the stock. So my view for tomorrow is go long either at this support as this is an indicial candle. There is a the probabilities are high that it can come to this point and again continue its bullish direction. So my view for tomorrow is either buy at this support zone or buy after the breakout of this high 2426 level. So either buy at this support or buy after the breakout of this level. So those are the 4 stocks that I recommend you people to trade tomorrow. Hope you guys like the analysis of those stocks. So if you like the video, do like, share and comment. Thank you.